This month on Pathways to the Future, we've gone to the dogs at the Veterinary Assistance program at Bloomington High School.
This program helps me with my future because it helps me communicate with other students and be patient with dogs and cats.
I think this class is good for like people that are still curious of what they want to do, and they take this class like, oh, maybe I should see a bit in the vet technician and all that.
Like, other than the animals, it have to be like these articles that we annotate. It'll have like facts like I didn't know. Like, so then when I read that, like I found it, I really liked that.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I'm one of the RVTs at DeVore Animal Shelter, and with me here is Liberty, and we're just really happy to be here today at Bloomington High School. We're happy for the collaboration with ROP that's given us an opportunity to bring all of our shelter friends down here. We're really grateful because it's given them an opportunity just to get some extra hands-on care. They've been able to interact with the students. They all got baths and some of them got vaccines. Any opportunity for them to get out and get more human interaction and enrichment is something that we really, really appreciate.